Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to talk about something I've been thinking about quite a bit lately. And have you ever watched those shows about doctors, specifically surgeons, and they go into the surgery room and all of their items are laid out and ready to go, all the tools that they need, and they have it all arranged so that they have optimal efficiency and everything ready to go so that they can execute. Well, that's something that I like to do when I am getting ready for work for the next day. And to do that, one of the first things that I do is that I set out my makeup the night before. So I think about what I'm going to wear the next day and I plan my makeup accordingly. Now, most of my makeup is the same stuff every day. You know, you have your same kind of BB cream, face setting spray, eyelash curler, that kind of thing. But, I also take into consideration what I'm wearing so that I can pick out what color eyeshadow I'm going to wear and also what lip color will look best for the day. So tomorrow I'm wearing a green sweater and I will show that to you soon. And I have picked out this really pretty kind of pink rosy color to wear. But yeah, I think about all the things that I'm going to need to do my makeup the next day. And I pick it all out and I have it in this nice little caddy I got years ago, I think from a Home Goods. And I have it all ready to go so that when I sit down here at my mirror, I can immediately start executing like a surgeon and can get my makeup on and get myself ready for the day. Another thing that I do is I also set out my jewelry. So I picked out my outfit and I figured out what jewelry I wanted to wear with it. And I have it setting here as well. So then once I get my makeup finished, I can go ahead and get my jewelry on. Another thing that I like to do is to have like all my undergarments out, ready to go, sitting there. I also like to pick out what lotion scent I'd like to wear for the day and what perfume and just have it laid out so I can very quickly put it on and get going. If you haven't done this already, a great thing to do is kind of corral your similar products together. So I have all my lotions in one spot. And then I also have all of my perfumes in one spot. So it makes it really easy to just very quickly pick out what I'd like to wear, what I think will be a nice scent for the day. If it's going to be a really rough day, maybe I want something that's a little more upbeat and perky. Or if it's going to be a stormy day, I wear something that's a little more moody. But it's nice to have the variety and it's nice to have everything laid out like this so that I can pick quickly. A very helpful thing that I do is that I use this caddy here to have all the products I use on a regular basis. So just taking a quick look here, I have a spray bottle that I use to wet down my hair. I have some astringent. I have some of that micellar water that I've put into a pump. And then I have various hair products. I have naturally curly hair, and so I use like a leave-in conditioner. I use a gel. This is a finishing serum. I also like this Wow product that helps keep my curls intact. I also have my deodorant in here that I use. I like this Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. Looks like it's gotten a little dirty. But I'm somebody, and it might be a little too much information, but I'm somebody who tends to sweat a lot. And this Donna Karan deodorant is one of the few products that last all day. I don't have to reapply it, and it keeps me dry. And one stick of that lasts 3 times longer than any other deodorant I've ever tried from like a drugstore. So it is pricey. It's above $30, but when you consider how long it lasts, it really is worth the price. So highly, highly recommend that. I also have a couple of other little things in here. I have some like nose strips. I have just a basic cleaner if I'm washing my face at night. I have this Peter Thomas Roth scrub that is great for getting excess like dry skin off your face. It's really great for if you're putting on makeup. Also in the interest of, you know, having everything laid out similar to like a surgeon, having your tools readily available. I always have these open jars with Q-tips and cotton circles and also flossers. I also have this little, I guess it's a toothbrush holder, but I have various tools in here that I use for different things. So I have this for when I'm applying a face mask, you know, a little face shaver because, you know, you could always use that. If I just need to tidy up my eyebrows, I have an eyebrow brush. This is wonderful. If you haven't seen one of these or tried it, it is a scraper to go into your products. So say you're getting to the end of a bottle of lotion and it's really hard if it's got a pump to get the stuff out at the bottom. This will scrape it up and you can use every single bit of your product so nothing goes to waste. And then I just have some various brushes here that get used for different things. Also, you know, so I don't have to have a big bulky bottle of mouthwash out on the counter. I have this little dispenser here that I use to just, you know, pour some into my mouth. I also got this little acrylic holder here from HomeGoods. I think it was on clearance for like $6, but it was the perfect size to just have something here in the corner where I could put the products that I use every single day. So I have eye makeup remover, I have my hyaluronic acid, I have some rosemary oil that I like to put on my scalp before I wash my hair. It's really good for your scalp. I have the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I prefer the gel over the lotion. I think it absorbs in your skin a little better. The lotion, I feel, tends to leave something on your skin. I like very basic, simple products for washing and moisturizing my face. I feel like it helps my face from breaking out. I tend to be a little on the combination side. Some parts of my face are a little oily and some are dry. So very basic products like that work best for me. I also have this under eye brightening cream that I use every single day to moisturize under my eyes. And then also a vitamin C serum that I tend to use more in the day on days when I'm not leaving the house. With vitamin C serum, you sometimes have to be careful because it can make your skin very sensitive to the outside light. And then I wear contacts and glasses, so I have my contact holder for overnight, and then I set my glasses there. And then just to have really easily accessible, I have my favorite lip balm, which is the Burt's Bees. I don't think there's any product out there that's better for just a basic lip balm. I have this little sample of a Shiseido under eye cream I've been trying out. I have my my pore primer to wear under my makeup. So when I'm getting ready, I, you know, have taken a shower, washed my face in the shower, then I will do all of my skincare products on my face, and then I will then do my hair afterwards. That way I'm not putting moisturizers and products on my face after I put the more heavier stuff in my hair. So once I'm done with my hair, I usually come over here and I put on my primer, let that sit in my skin, let it dry, and then I go out and I do my makeup. Another thing that I like to do is I like to have my complete outfit picked out and ready to go for the morning so that, again, I can execute without thinking about it. The decisions are already made and I can just get myself together and get myself out the door. So for tomorrow, I have picked out this green sweater and I have my camisole all ready to go with it to wear underneath. I just have some basic jeans and I have my purse picked out to add a little color to the outfit. And then I also have my gym shoes set up down there, ready to go as well. I don't have to think about it. I simply grab my clothes, put them on, and be ready to go. I also wanted to mention that having this caddy is also really great because once you're done with all of your products, you can simply tuck it away underneath your sink. So I have this little cabinet down here under my sink, and I have, I put this little towel bar here so I'd have a place to put my face towel. It's a headband to keep the hair out of my face when I'm getting ready, and just, a regular kind of cloth here. But I put a divider down here. It's kind of like a makeshift shelf under my cabinet. And what I do is I can simply put my caddy here when I'm done with it, and then I can just shut it, and then I have nothing out on my counter. I got that caddy at Amazon. I'm sure you could still find them, but they come in very, very handy. And also, I didn't know if you noticed down here, but the second caddy I have is for my nail products. So I have a caddy down here that has all of the tools that I use for when I'm doing my nails. So hopefully that is helpful to you. Another thing that I try to do is I make sure that I charge my toothbrush. So I'm going to plug my toothbrush in there, and then in the morning it'll be all ready to go. One thing that I find particularly helpful is making sure that I have all of my coffee items set up for the next day. So I have my Contigo cup ready to go. I have cocoa powder, which I sometimes add to my coffee to make it like a mocha. I also have some syrups back here that I will sometimes add to it. And I have my Splenda, and I also have my K-cups. So in the morning, I come down here, I get my Contigo cup, I get my pod, I make my concoction, and then right here, I have my Keurig ready to go ahead and get it brewed. That way, I can just grab, go, and head out the door. So I hope you found these tips and tricks really helpful. I know that setting my system up this way, like I said, similar to like a surgeon, having it all laid out, ready to go, is extremely helpful for me. It makes the process so much easier in the day, and then I don't have to think about it in the morning when I'm exhausted and really would prefer to go back to bed. I hope you will consider subscribing to this channel. I'm really having a lot of fun making these videos for you, and I hope to build this community. So please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.